Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You sign in and immediately join or start a Teams meeting. That's the only place you'll change the background. Once in the pre-join or live view, click the Background Effects control. Make sure your image is accessible locally. Teams won't fetch files from cloud-only links. If you're at the pre-join screen, pick Background Filters. If already in a call, open More Actions and choose Apply Background Effects. You now pick or upload the image you want. Click Add New to upload a JPG or PNG. Teams accept standard images. Stick to 1920x 1080 for proper framing. Once uploaded, select the thumbnail and press Preview to see how Teams blurs or replaces around you. If the preview looks off, adjust your position or lighting. Teams uses person detection, so good contrast between you and the background improves results. Finally, you're almost done. After applying, verify the background stays on by toggling your video off and on. If the background reverts or shows artifacts, make sure Teams is updated and restart the app. That resolves most detection glitches. Also check camera permissions in your OS and avoid overlays or virtual cameras that interfere. If problems persist, switch to a built-in background and retry the upload. That tells you whether the file or the app is the issue.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.